Let's talk about carbon credits, what they are, how they work, and how your business can use them responsibly and effectively. At its core, a carbon credit is a certificate that represents 1 metric ton of CO2 either removed from the atmosphere or prevented from being emitted. These credits are generated by climate projects like reforestation, renewable energy, or methane capture, and verified by trusted standards like Verra, Gold Standard, or ACR. So why do they matter for businesses? Because not every company can eliminate all of its emissions right away. Some emissions are simply unavoidable in the short term. That's where carbon credits come in. You reduce what you can and then offset the rest by supporting verified carbon reducing projects elsewhere. But here's the key. Carbon credits aren't a shortcut to net zero. They're not a license to pollute. They're a tool to complement your internal emissions reductions, not replace them. Used properly, carbon credits help balance hard-to-abate emissions, support global climate projects, meet ESG goals and regulatory requirements, and demonstrate credible climate leadership. So, how do you use them effectively? First, get your carbon footprint measured accurately. Know your scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions. Next, set strong internal reduction targets. Then, once you've cut as much as possible, use carbon credits to offset the remaining emissions. But not just any credits. You want ones that are verified by global standards. Additional, meaning the impact wouldn't have happened without the project permanent, so the carbon doesn't get re-released later. Transparent, so you know exactly what you're supporting. At 24 Carbon, we help companies build customized carbon credit strategies. We guide you in selecting projects that align with your values, whether that's reforestation, clean cook stoves, or emerging carbon removal tech. We also help you avoid greenwashing by ensuring your use of credits is fully documented, tracked, and disclosed. When carbon credits are used with integrity, they become more than just a compliance tool. They're a bridge, connecting your business to global climate action in a measurable, meaningful way. If you're ready to use carbon credits strategically, not just symbolically, 24 Carbon is here to help you do it right.